In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to generate YouTube tags. If you want your videos to be easier to discover in search, tags can still play a helpful supporting role, especially when they are relevant, targeted, and closely connected to your topic. The good news is that ChatGPT can speed up this process and help you come up with better tag ideas in just a few seconds. To get started, provide your video topic clearly. Give ChatGPT your video title, explain what the video is about, and mention your target audience. You should also include the main keywords related to your content, along with your niche and content category. The more specific you are, the more useful and relevant the tag suggestions will be. For example, instead of using a vague request, you can say something like, "Generate 30 YouTube tags for a video about beginner photography tips." That gives ChatGPT a clear direction and helps it produce tags that actually match your video. Next, ask ChatGPT to generate SEO-friendly tags. A strong tag list usually includes a mix of broad and specific keywords. Broad keywords can help connect your content to larger topics, while specific keywords, especially long-tail keywords, can help you reach a more targeted audience. This is useful because different viewers search in different ways. Some may use short phrases, while others type detailed search queries based on exactly what they want to learn. You can also ask ChatGPT to generate tags based on viewer intent, which means the tags are aligned with what people are actively searching for. A useful prompt here would be create YouTube tags for a video about ChatGPT productivity tips, including high-volume and long-tail keywords. Once you have a list, the next step is to optimize and refine it. Ask ChatGPT for trending variations and related keyword ideas so you can expand your options. Then review the results carefully and remove anything irrelevant, too repetitive, or too broad to be helpful. It's also a smart idea to ask for multiple tag lists so you can test different versions and see which set fits your content best. Most importantly, focus on tags that accurately describe your video because relevance matters more than stuffing in extra keywords. You can use a prompt like generate 50 optimized YouTube tags and rank them by relevance for this video topic. When used correctly, ChatGPT can save you time and help you build smarter, cleaner, and more effective YouTube tag lists for your videos.